I sure do love aesthetic. However, I feel like I'm not reaching my full aesthetic potential. I'm only reaching 50% aesthetic here. I need to go all the way. I need to be max aesthetic. And there's only one way I know how. Ever since that old man gave me this CD 19 years ago, I knew its true power would be realized one day. And I believe that day to be today. But first, we must bless our computer with some aesthetic juice. It has now been blessed with the aesthetic juice. Since our legendary aesthetic CD is unfortunately not bootable on its own, we must use aesthetic 2.0 disk in order to boot it. Okay, now that we've booted Aesthetic 2.0, we must now put in the true aesthetic disk in order to start the aesthetic installation. I've waited 19 years to use this disk. Words cannot describe how happy I am. The first thing we must do is make a directory to copy the CD's contents to the drive, just in case it were to not detect the CD drive during the installation, because sometimes it might do that. Right. All of our aesthetic files have been copied over. Now, just need to run the setup. Press enter, then makes you press escape again. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, look at the beautiful aesthetic. Let's zoom in on that. Alright, here we are at our aesthetic Windows 95 installation. We click yes. Why, yes I will. C:\yen Windows. Sounds pretty good. Always want to go for the custom setup. Name. That is Noah in hiragana. For whatever reason, it won't let me type katakana, but then again, I am using a American QWERTY keyboard, so I mean, it doesn't really surprise me. I know it should be in katakana because my name is not Japanese. Why yes, please scan for my devices. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what's going on? I don't know. Okay, got past the error. So it's gonna look for MIDI, so it's probably something to do with the sound card. And this, I'm assuming, is probably CD-ROM. We don't need any of this, really. However, I do want to select all of this. I want to make sure you get all your stuff. We want everything. We want nothing left out. Make sure we get all our good stuff. Looking good to me. Oh yeah. No. Alright, we're not going to change the keyboard. Because I'm lazy. I want to create a start disk. No. Now it is going to go ahead and copy all of our files over. So good.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new, and the search is a mystery.
Why yes, I shall restart. Oh, it's beautiful. Ooh, so nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, please, yes. I don't want a password. Passwords are for losers. That time zone is good enough. Oh no, Microsoft Exchange. I can barely get through this on the English version. Why did I select this? Cancel. Get out of here. Oh no, I don't want to set up a printer. Get out of here. Okay. I believe we're done. I believe we are done with the aesthetic installation. I have taken the aesthetic CD out of the drive. We shall see if this boots on its own. Sorry for all the noise outside. My non-aesthetic neighbors just don't understand. Oh my god. It worked. We have aesthetic. Do we have higher resolutions? No. I can go 2-color, but I'm not going to. So this is true aesthetic right here. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. I wonder if we can run any games. It appears we're having some errors. Oh. Well, it doesn't appear that it likes to run Doom. This is not looking good. Let's go directly to MS-DOS prompt. Oh no, doesn't work. Oh well, who needs Doom when you have pure aesthetic? I wonder if we can run any of these other games. Oh yeah, just what I wanted to see. Well, that's good enough. Yeah. All right. Can play midis. This background just isn't aesthetic enough. Let us fix that. Now that's much better. So I want to thank all of you for watching this very aesthetic video. Hope you have a very happy blessed, aesthetic 420 day. And as always, see you next time. Max Aesthetic.